Hi guys, you know that with a lot of us there's such a huge difference sometimes between the income that we are expecting to come in and what actually does come in. And it is horrific sometimes to see the difference between the two, where you are counting on income to come in and it doesn't materialize, especially if you've got investments and the interest rate has dropped and all of a sudden you have all of these unexpected expenses. I've been through exactly the same thing, and it has taken me a while to get to a system where I actually am in control of my outcome. I joined this program a while ago, and it has been an amazing experience on my personal growth and the growth of finances during this time. I joined a program called the Millionaires Partnering Program, where I'm actually partnered to become a millionaire. And if you'd like to see how the system works and what it can actually do for you and the change in your life, you can actually look at a free video which will explain all of the details to you and how you can actually achieve this. You can actually have mentorship, or you can actually run it alone, and you get all of the support, a completely done for you system that will elevate you and get you going within a day. If you'd like to look at the system, follow the link in my bio or press help in the comment section below and I can guide you in the right direction. Cheers.